Hi, it's Nikki
And Lisa.
from PNAA, and we're coming at you from the Museum of Flight in Seattle.
This was the place 10 years ago that started our Women in Aerospace Conference, and we're excited to be back here.
It's going to be our 10-year anniversary this year for Women in Aerospace, which will be held in Everett, but we will be having our Dream Big Girls in STEM event here on May 17th, so be sure to join us.
So that's our kickoff event, and then the next day, May 18th, Women in Aerospace Conference. We're excited to be welcoming Alyssa Carson.
Yes.
Yeah, we're so excited.
Speakers from Boeing, Blue Origin, and much, much more. We are so excited. This is one of our favorite events of the year, so be sure to join us.
We'll see you there.
Thanks.